Here I have Dongfeng Box, and let me show you how to check the software version of this car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's open here the car icon, this blue icon right here. And from the following view, let's select the last one, which is the vehicle information. Here, let's check out that you can switch here between few tabs. Let's select the second one, which is System. In System, let's open the version information, and here you've got access to the software version. So this long chain of letters and numbers is the software version of your car. As you can see, here you can read the specific build ID of the current software. It tells technicians exactly which update package is installed, including the date it was compiled. In my case, I can read here that it was 2025. I think 06 is like June, and 24th of June is the time when the software version was compiled. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.